Are you looking for a video editor for your Chromebook? Then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'll show you how you can install Shotcut video editor on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install Shotcut video editor on your Chromebook, first of all, you have to enable the Linux development environment. So I already have a video on how you can install Linux development environment on Chromebook. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After you have enabled Linux development environment, simply click on App Launcher icon. Here scroll down and look for Linux apps folder and open the terminal application. If you don't get the terminal interface, then simply click on this penguin option. And now here you have to run some command. First of all, simply run sudo apt-get, then hit enter and wait for the update process to complete. After that, you have to run sudo apt-upgrade, then hit enter. Now to install the Shotcut video editor, simply run sudo apt-install shotcut, then hit enter key. And if you get do you want to continue prompt, here simply type Y, then hit the enter key and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, simply run exit command to close the terminal. Now to open Shotcut video editor, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Linux apps folder, and here you will get Shotcut video editor. Click on it to open the application. Now you are ready to edit video on your Chromebook using the Shotcut video editor tool. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.